Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone will be fine. In our previous class, we have already learned lesson number 5, My Family. So today we are going to start our new lessons. Can you guess it? What is our new lessons names? Yes, before starting the lesson, I will give you one hint for it. See the picture. What do you see in the pictures given alongside? There is 2 students. They are standing outside and there is shows one building. Can you guess it? What is it? It is a school. Yes. Do you also go to there? Yes. We all like to come in a school. So students, our new lessons, lesson number 6 is My School. Now students, before starting the lesson, should I ask you some questions? Do you like to come in a school? Yes, we all like to come in a school. But during this pandemic conditions, we can't meet to each others. So I know that you all are miss your school. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. My school. We go to school to study. Our teachers teach us lots of things. We learn to read and write in the school. So, why we are going to schools? We go to the school for studies. Who teach us in a school? Our teachers. Our teacher teaches lots of things. Which activity you do at a school? Read and write. Yes? So you know the importance of the school? Yes. Now turn the page. Just turn the page. See our next page. That is given on picture. Okay. What it is? It is a bus. Now see it. I am a dash. If you are a boy, then you have to write I am a boy. And if you are a girl, then you have to write I am a girl. Next, I study in dash school. What is our school name? Mother of Hope School. Next, I go to school by dash. Have you come in a school? I have written a car. You have to write your own information. Next, I am in class dash and section dash. You are studying in which class? I am in a class 1 and you have to mention your section, your divisions. So, I have written B. Next, the address of my school is, what is our school address? Koppalli Road, opposite Tanisha Jewellers, Vapi East, Vapi, Gujarat. Okay. Next, the telephone number of my school are 0260 242 0611. I like my school very much. Do you like your school? Yes, we all like our school. Now see, one activity is given in our textbook. Paste the picture of your school here. So you have to stick the picture of our school here. Now see our next page. Rooms in my school. In our schools, there are so many rooms. We call them with a different names. So, we have to study about it. There are many rooms in my schools. So, in our school, there are so many rooms. First one is Principal's Office. This is a picture of Principal Office. My parents meet the principals in the room. It is called the Principal's Office. So, every school have their Principal's Office. Yes. where parents meet the principals. It is called principal's office. Next is our favorite place, classroom. This is where I study and I spend most of my time. So, classroom is our favorite place. So many memories we have in our classrooms. We have studied there and we spend lots of our school times there. Next is computer lab. I work on computer in the computer lab. So, in a computer periods, we are going to our computer lab. So, there what we are doing? We are doing a work on the computer. Next, library. There are many books in the library. I borrow books from the library to read. So, in our schools, we have also a big library. There are many books. So, when I want to read something, then I will borrow a book from the library. Next, music room. There are many musical instruments in this room. I learn how to play them here. I also learn how to sing. So, there is another room is music room, where all musical instruments are kept in these rooms. Here we are learn how to play this musical instrument. Even also learn how to sing. Now students, turn the page. See our next room. Next is dance room. I learn to dance in a dance room. So in a dance room we are learning how to dance. Next, sick room. I go to sick room when I am unwell in the school. So when you are become a sick during a school time, during a school hour, so we are going to the sick room. Next, sports room. Sports items such as football, volleyball, etc. are kept in the sports room. So in a sports room, which things we are kept? Our sports items, which help us to play indoor or outdoor games. Next, staff room. Teachers work and relax here when they are not teaching. So in a staff room, who will take a rest? Teachers. It is a relaxed room for teachers, and when they don't have any class, that time they will do their work also in a staff room. Next is playground. I love to play here. It has a seesaw, slides and many other swings. So in our playground there are so many things are there. Seesaw slides. Do you like seesaw slide? Yes, and swings. Everyone like to play on a swing. So I hope you understand the all rooms which are in our school. Now see our next page. There is given one activity. Tick the correct options. Here in these questions we have to tick the correct options to make a sentence perfect. We borrow books from the library or computer lab. Where we will borrow books? Library. So take it. Next, when we get sick, we are taken to the principal rooms or sick room. When you are become a sick, where you are going? In a sick room. We play in a sports room or playground. Where we are playing? In a playground. Now, next, people at school. Who are there in our school? First one is principal. The principal is the head of the school. Our principal name is, what is our principal name? Father Savio. So write the spelling. Father Savio. Okay. Father Savio is our principal. So what is principal's duty? Principal is the head of the school. He is in charge of the school. Next, teachers. Teachers help us learn something new every day. They make learning a joy. So what teacher is doing? Teachers help us to learn the things. And they are trying to make our learning a joyful. Dash is my class teacher. What is your class teacher's name? Sister Flavia. Write the spelling of Sister Flavia. Flavia. Next is librarian. The librarians looks after the library. Our librarian's name is Miss Angela. So write the spelling of it. Miss Angela. She is our librarian. So what she is doing? She looks after our library. Library is a place where there are so many books we kept. When we need a books, then we will borrow from the library. See the next page. Sweeper. The sweeper keeps the entire school neat and clean. So what is sweeper's duty? Sweepers keep the entire school neat and clean. Our sweeper name is, what is our sweeper's name? Mrs. Bijli. So write the spelling of it. Miss Bijli. Next, peon. The peons rings the bell and help in the office. So what is peon duty? He will ring the bell and help in the office. So we all are waiting before recess. Then when peon uncle will ring the bell and we will eat our delicious food. Yes. So our peon name is, what is our peon name? Mr. Dominic. So write the spelling of it. Mr. Dominic. Okay. So I hope you understand the importance people who work in a school. First one is principal. Second one is teacher. Third one is librarian. Fourth one is sweeper. And fifth one is peon. Now see the next. Filling the blanks. See the first one. The dash is the head of a school. Who is the head of the school? Principal. Next. The dash keeps the school clean. Who clean the school? Sweeper. Third one. The dash rings the bell. Who ring the bell? Peon. Now see the next points. Things I do at school. Which things we are doing at a school? I learn many things in a school. I learn to read, write, speak, draw and paint, dance, sing, play games, work on computer, do yoga. So this all activity we are doing in a school. So I hope you understand the lesson. See our next activity. List the things that you learn in a school every day. Which things you do every day in a school? Read, write and speak. Okay. So, I hope you understand the lessons perfectly. Let's revise our lessons. My school. Look at, this is our school. So, in this school, how the work is going that we are going to learn. Rooms in my school. There are principal office, classroom, computer lab, library, music room, dance room, sick room, sports room, sports staff room, and playground. So this all are the rooms in our school. Principal office, where the head of the schools are sitting and he is doing his work related to school. He is a main person of our school. Next is classroom, the place where we are study and we are spending our most of the time. Next is computer lab. We work on the computer. We are learning the computer. Next is library. In a library there are so many books. If we want to read something, then we will borrow the books from the library for reading. Next is music room. Musical instruments are kept in this room. There we learn how to sing and how to play this musical instrument. Next is dance room. In the dance room we are learning the dance form, the different types of dance. Next is sick room. When we are become a sick during a school hours, then time we are sending to the sick room. Next is sports rooms, where our all sports items are kept, like football, volleyball. Next is staff room, where teachers work and relax when they have no class. Playground. This is a lovelyable place for every children, where they are playing so many games. Next is people at the school. How our school work is going on. It is depended on the how many persons they are following: principal, teachers, librarians, sweeper, and peon. Principals. Principal is the head of the school. Teachers. Teacher help us to learn something new every day. They make learning joyful. Next is librarians, who looks after the library. When we need something for reading, that time we consult them. Next is sweeper, who cleans the school and it keep us neat and clean. Next is peon, who ring the bell and help in our school office. Next is things I do at school. Which are the things we are doing at the school? They are the following: read, write, speak, draw and paint, dance, sing, play games, work on a computer, and do yoga. So this type of activity we are doing in the school. First activity we are doing in the school is reading. Next is writing. So it will help us to learn the things perfectly. Next is speak. We get a confidence how to speak with the others. Next is drawing and painting. This is a favorite activity for all students. Dancing. We are learn some dance form also during the school hours. Singing. Those who are interested in sing, they are also they are enjoying this singing class. Play games. We are playing a different games, indoor and outdoor games in the school. Work on a computer. We learn to operate the computer. We learn it how to use the computer. Next is yoga. It is important for keep our body healthy. So we are doing a yoga in the school. So students, I hope you understand the lessons. Thank you.